So this is a fun one. I have done this a couple times, but this is a oyster mushroom grow kit from a company in Massachusetts called Fat Moon Farm. Basically, you can grow your own oyster mushrooms out of this substrate bag. It's really fun to do. They grow well and they taste delicious when they're done. So I'm going to show you the process on how that works. First thing you're going to do is straighten out the bag and then fold it over back on itself, and then you're going to just flip the mushroom substrate bag onto its side. Then with this on its side and a clean knife, you're going to cut an X across the bag through the plastic and down into the substrate, and that'll expose it to some air and allow it to grow. With that X in there, like you can see, you can kind of pull back a little bit of the plastic. And it is damp already, but one of the things that it comes with is a spray bottle. So you're gonna fill this up with water, and you wanna keep this moist. So you wanna spray it, a couple times a day. And then within, a couple days, you're gonna start seeing where our little pin mushrooms will start coming up. And once they start growing, they grow fast. I'll document that as well in this series. Now with that spritzed, you can kind of put these down a little bit if you want to. You're gonna put it somewhere where it's not in direct sunlight, but somewhere it's warm enough that the mushrooms will start growing. I have a windowsill in the basement that I usually put it on, and we'll see where it goes. Now that it's down here in the basement, just gotta keep it moisturized, and every day I'll give it a spritz a couple times a day. And before or soon it'll start growing. It's really fun to see. So kids probably enjoy this, and I mean I definitely do, and my kids do as well. All right, here's an update on the mushrooms. Just spritzed it. You can see this little clump starting here, and then there's a couple all down there and along the line here. So over the next few days, these should start getting bigger and bigger, and we'll just keep them moisturized, and hopefully we'll have something to eat soon. All right, a little update here. As you can see, we've got our big flush right there coming in, and there's all these ones coming in across where we cut it. Things is looking pretty good. Just gonna keep it moisturized, and from this point, they're gonna start growing pretty fast, which I'm excited about. So I think today is going to be the harvest day for these. You can see that they're starting to curl and turn a little bit darker around the rims. This thing's huge. Wow. So basically just gonna get a knife and start cutting from the bottom. I might leave these little ones for a little bit, this big one. And then to store them, if I wanted to store more, you can cook them right away. To store them, put them in like a paper bag, and they should stay fresh for a while. But I think we'll cook them up tonight. Just saute them or something along those lines. Wow, these look good. So I'm just gonna take a little serrated knife and start cutting them back. And once we get that off, we can store them. You can actually pick this entire thing up, give it a little turn, and it'll pop right off. And then, it's hard to do with one hand, then you can just cut them off individually.
One little.
Thanks for watching, everyone. This was delicious. It was a lot of fun to do. I will put a link for the grow kit in the description. Thanks again.